morning, students. Myself B.K. Mishra from Mumbai Modern School and your chemistry teacher. And today I am discussing about the chapter that is matter in our surroundings of class 9. And in our last video, we have discussed some of the NCERT book questions. Now today I am going to discuss the rest of questions, that is question number 2. Tabulate the differences in the characteristics of three states of matter. As you all know that there are 5 states of matter, but we will discuss about the 3 states of matter in common, and we will try to tabulate the differences, what are the differences in their characteristics. So one by one. We have discussed this in our previous video also, but we will discuss it again in this video, that is characteristics of solids, of liquids and next gases. Okay. Now the first one is solids have definite shape and volume. Means they have a definite or fixed shape and volume. Liquids have fixed volume but they don't have fixed shape. That is, they take the shape of the container in which they are kept. That is the characteristic of liquids. But in gases, what we find that gases do not have fixed shape and no fixed volume. So if they don't have any fixed shape and fixed volume, that is in the case of gases. The second point is solids cannot be compressed much. Okay, solids cannot be compressed. Now what is compressibility or compression? That is to resist change when an external force is applied. So in solids, if we try to compress it, it is not easy to compress. And so in the case of liquids also cannot be compressed much. Both solids and liquids cannot be compressed easily. But in case of gases, easily to a small volume. In case of gases, it can be compressed easily to a small volume. Now about density. Now solids have high densities. But in case of liquids, liquids have moderate to high density. But in the case of gases, gases have very low density. Okay, because the number of particles are very less in case of gases. Now about fluidity. Solids, as they have a definite shape, they cannot flow. Solids do not flow. Liquids flow, and gases flow easily. Now solids do not fill the container. Liquids also cannot fill the container, but gases can fill the container in which they are kept. Now this is question number 2b. Comment upon the following, that is rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, shape, kinetic energy and density. Now let us take it one by one. That is rigidity. First is rigidity. Now what is rigidity? Rigidity is the property of a solid to maintain its shape when an external force is applied. Okay. So, in simple terms, rigidity means stiffness. Stiffness. Okay. So solids have a definite shape. So when an external force we apply on a solid, it is not deformed or it doesn't go deformation. So in simple terms, rigidity means stiffness. But in case of liquids and gases, they don't have a fixed shape. Okay. Now the second term is compressibility. Let us discuss what is compressibility. Now compressibility is the property by which it can be reduced to a small volume. Now we know that solids and liquids cannot be compressed, but in case of gases it can be compressed to a very small volume. Next one is fluidity. Fluidity. What is fluidity? Property of a substance to flow liquids and gases flow so they attain the characteristic of fluidity. Filling a gas container, that is, gases have high kinetic energy. Okay, the particles of gases have high kinetic energy, so they move randomly and strikes the walls of the container, so the gases fill the container easily. Gases have high kinetic energy, so they fill the container easily in which they are kept. Now students, we will discuss the rest question in our next video. Till the end, thank you.